What's the meaning of coffee shop? Coffee shop. Coffee shop.
Coffee shop. Coffee shop. A coffee shop is a type of establishment where people can purchase and drink coffee-based beverages, as well as other drinks and snacks. Typically, these shops have a casual atmosphere and comfortable seating that encourages patrons to relax and socialize. Some coffee shops also offer free Wi-Fi, making them popular spots for remote workers and students. In recent years, many coffee shops have become known for their unique aesthetics and specialty drinks, such as latte art and seasonal flavors. Overall, coffee shops serve as a gathering place for individuals to enjoy quality coffee and connect with others in their community.